right, and we're gonna start that up. Now, I need to get what we've already accomplished, which, by the way, you don't put cream cheese in the lemon meringue. On the lemon meringue, it does not go together. Okay, but look at here. We have all of our ingredients that we've already done. 3 egg yolks, stirred up. Butter, ready to go into the pie. Lemon, and this here, that's the zest. So we'll put that in there, okay? So now, what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the pot. All right. All right, 1/2 cup sugar. Sugar and cornstarch, flour, and salt. So 1/2, we're going to get my pan. We'll just do the pan over there by you guys first. Yeah, it's probably wet on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and put it in here. We're going to go ahead, because this is the stuff that is, it's just the next step. Let's see, is that the right? Yep, that's the right lid. Okay. So, all right, I need to get a new bag of flour out, by the way. I knew I was going to have to get that bag out. Because I make bread too, but that's bread flour. I don't like bread flour, I need regular flour. Oh. Okay. Got a big old thing of flour here. Yeah. Okay. Flour. Okay. So in this pan here, yeah, we're gonna put cornstarch, flour, sugar, cornstarch out. Use a lot of cornstarch. I got directions over here. So 1/2 cup sugar. Let me get the sugar. Where did I put the sugar? Oh, there it is. Okay. This is always the fun part. Oh, get that back. I gotta have room. All right, 1/2 cup sugar. Okay, 1. That's 1.5 cup sugar. Inch to grow an inch. All right, so we're putting 1/2 cup sugar in. This is for the lemon meringue, okay? Bear with me, folks. It's been a long day. Bear with me. You guys have all done great with me so far. All right, 3 tablespoons cornstarch. 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. So let me get my tablespoon back out. 3 and 3, remember that. 3 and 3. All right. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. 1, 2, 3. All right, then we got to put 3 tablespoons of flour. That's why I don't like opening these big ones, but I could have kept 3, I guess, set aside. Hold on, let me go open the flour. Come on. Okay. All right, somebody do a TikTok video on the correct way to open a bag of flour. Kidding, I know I'm going. Okay. I'm wearing a black shirt and I'm bringing flour. I'm gonna take the first pie out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. That's all the flour you need. Which is kind of crazy, but now because I can't lay it down flat now. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, I guess I can. Hold on. Give me a second. I gotta put it back where I got it from. Oh, Okay. Perfect. All right. Sorry, I'm out of rags. I keep them. I got all kinds of clean rags, but I'll just put it for now. All right. So I got that in there. Now I need to stir that up to mix it all in there. Okay, we're gonna get that all mixed like it's supposed to. Okay. Oh, we're gonna take it over to the stove here in just a minute. I just gotta get everything in it first, okay? So, 1.5 cups of hot water. So now we're going to do 1.5 cups of hot water. So I'm going to, and then we're going to put it on the stove. All right, let's go to the stove. All right. Okay. Now we're going to take everything over to the stove now. So let's go over the stove. It's time to start getting this all. See, who says I don't clean up fast? So we're going to put you over here. Oh! Alright, there you go. Alright, so, can you see that in there? Make sure it's on there tight. Okay, so we're going to put it on the stove like this. Granted, I do not have a means or a better way of doing this. So, there we go. Alright, so, we're going to get ready for that. Okay. So now, okay. Now we're going to put in 1.5 cups of hot water. One up your spoon. Okay. All right. So bring the egg yolk over. Bring the lemon over. Egg yolk and lemon are over here now. Now, I'm going to go ahead. We're going to go ahead and add the water. I forgot this thing's got a lock mechanism on it. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and add this in there. Water. And then we're going to get it all stirred up. Nice and... Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat up. So then as this gets hot, which I need to get, use this here, use a spatula to make sure it's not sticking on anything and also not clumping. You don't want it to clump, you don't want it to stick. If there's clumps in there, kick them down. You got to really make sure the clumps are gone. They don't taste good. You get a big old mouthful of a clump of sugar. It does not taste good. All right, here we go. So now we got the heat. So now we got to bring this to a boil. Then we'll start adding in our egg, our lemon, and our butter, and everything else. Okay? And while that's going on, I got to take the pies out. All right, pies are ready to come out. While you're doing that, you guys watch that for me. I'm going to, oh, I need that for, that's got to get hot. This is gotta go over here. So I need my pies to go out onto the trays. Okay. I need the butter. Okay. There's only 2 pies. I only need one thing. Okay, so pies are gonna go on here. Get them out. Alright, I don't want to burn them, but I gotta do one at a time, right? Okay. Oh! Come on. Alright, first pie's done. Put those 2 in there for a second. Alright, so we brought the 1 pie out. Alright, I'll show it to you in a second. Now we got to get this to boil and not stick on the bottom. You got to keep stirring with this here because it will start getting hard on the bottom. Okay, so you want to keep this going as good as you can. All right, Brittany, how you doing? Mr. Kapling, how are you? All right, so like I said, I just don't stop. There we go. All right. I've been timing those pies pretty good. My memory's getting better. Okay. So that has to come to a boil. Which pan was it? That pan? All right. So that's going to come to a boil. Get the butter ready. The butter goes in after everything's done. We turn the heat off. The butter will go in then. Okay. Now this here the reason why I keep it like that is I learned a little trick. If I keep it like that, it's the perfect amount to put in there, okay? It's literally the perfect amount, okay? So we're gonna do that. So we got the lemon going on here. Got the eggs. Got everything ready. Gosh dang it. Except me. Seriously, dude. I am a klutz. Need to grab something. All right, I put it out here already. Where did I put it? Oh, you ever sit stuff in it, please? Oh, there it is. I gotta put another charger on. All right.